it just happened. He was pretty quick at getting out of his car.
Okay.
Did you not know I was going to pull you over?
Hi, I'm Attorney Giovanna Delgado.
I got that, but I'm dealing with you. Do you know what speed limit is?
Ma'am, you,
Sir, this is my lawyer.
you don't need to answer any questions.
But I'm talking to you. I am talking to you as a driver. Again, she's not the one driving.
He didn't want to talk very long once he figured out you were my lawyer.
All right, do you speak English? Ma'am, does he speak English?
He does speak English, sir.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. A viewer submitted this video after being pulled over for the alleged offense of speeding. Immediately after being pulled over, he used our Attorney Shield app to request legal assistance. The trooper had exited his vehicle immediately and began speaking with the driver just seconds prior to connecting to one of our attorneys. She immediately takes over for the driver, informing him, his passenger, and the officer that no questions will be answered. The look on the trooper's face is priceless.
Did you not know I was going to pull you over?
Hi, I'm Attorney Giovanna Delgado.
I got that, but I'm dealing with you. Do you speak English or do you need an interpreter? Okay, so here's the deal. I have you moving at a high rate of speed. Do you know what speed limit is?
Ma'am, you,
Sir, this is my lawyer.
you don't need to answer any questions.
But I'm talking to you. Is this your driver's license? Is this not your driver's license? Do you choose not to talk to me at this time?
Sir, you do not have to answer any questions asked by the police. You have a right, constitutional right protecting you from
I have you speeding. I have you moving at a high rate of speed. I have you on camera. It's up to you on what you want to do. I will suggest next time that when you do see lights, don't cut over right away. Let's give traffic a little bit of time, and then let's move all the way over to the shoulder, shall we? All right, so I have you at 77 and 60, and you'll be receiving a citation for that today. Thank you.
Do you remember a recent video featuring the twins?
I had you on dash cam cut
That's
me off.
fine. I'm
Cutting you off? But if you're any kind of pro law enforcement, why would you not let the cops know you have a weapon on you?
We're good cops. We saw your expired plate. We thought you had guns and drugs in the car or something, man. Come on, dude.
Yeah, you start with the video and stuff right away of any other cop, they're just going to cite you. We still have a right to know if you have a loaded gun on you.
Yeah.
Well, actually, I don't care what the state of Ohio says.
They seem to think the opposite of this trooper, that if you don't pull over within 10 to 15 seconds, you're fleeing and eluding.
Why? What? Just stop back there. I don't need you pulling into an apartment for me, okay?
What?
Stop when I tell you to stop.
I was already pulling in here. This is where I work.
Okay,
dude.
cool,
And
man.
I had you on dash cam cut
That's
me
fine.
off.
I'm
Cutting you off? All you had to do is pull over. I did pull over. Okay, but then you didn't light me up until after I had my blinker
Jack.
on. I'll watch the video, but you had the attitude as soon as you come up. Why didn't you pull over?
Well, I mean, it did take you a minute.
It took you a hot second.
I mean, we sirened you.
I had the blinker before you lit me up. Okay, so no, I wasn't pulling you over for that. Pulling in. Okay, fair enough. But then you pulled into here. You could stop right there next time.
The lack of standards across the US makes it difficult to know what will upset any random officer you happen to come across. Are we supposed to wait?
Next time that when you do see lights, don't cut over right away. Let's give traffic a little bit of time, and then let's move all the way over to the shoulder, shall we?
Or should we stop in the middle of the street like the twins suggest?
Bro, you were rolling for a minute. Like, our lights were on for a good 10, 15 seconds.
Just so you
Usually
know.
that's a pursuit,
Yes,
man. Like, no shit.
People would put
That's
that
the
out as a
only
pursuit
reason.
because that's
Yeah.
what our job sucked, dude. It's
We
illegal.
thought you were gonna
people
take
stop
off on us, man.
Like, people constantly keep going. Yeah, but
Either way, you're sure to get a speaking to about it, especially if you don't have legal representation. The trooper now returns to his cruiser to write a citation, during which our viewer speaks with the attorney.
Hi, sir.
Hello, ma'am.
Sorry we didn't get connected quicker.
No, it just happened. He was pretty quick at getting out of his car.
Okay. Because someone else is in the car with you, like, this isn't a protected communication, but I just want you to know that you have rights to not answer questions, which it seems like you do know that because you weren't answering the officer's questions. It seems like this should be a pretty quick traffic stop.
Yeah, he didn't want to talk very long once he figured out you were my lawyer.
Yeah, that usually happens. I could tell he was trying to ask questions of you and get you to kind of admit your guilt. So good job not giving him anything.
Yep, that's what you're for.
I just want to give you a quick safety reminder. Try not to make any sudden movements in the car, like anything that could be perceived as a threat by the officer.
Yep. Here, put that in there. Those in there. Here, lock it too.
Like this?
Yep. How long you been doing this? Are you an actual lawyer, certified?
Yeah. I'm an attorney. But this service is pretty new, so I've only been doing it for about 2 months.
Right. Yep. That's when I got the actual app.
What did he say he pulled you over for?
Speeding 77 in a whatever 60.
Okay.
He didn't even ask for my insurance. He was more distracted with you. That's all right here in the pamphlet you guys give out.
Yeah.
I didn't even give him that. Here's the folder. I got
All your documents ready?
Yep. He didn't even ask for that. He was so flustered. He's fucking pissed for some reason.
Yeah. Cops don't like attorneys, but that's like one of the main benefits of the service is just having the attorney's presence there. It usually changes the officer's demeanor.
Yeah, that's why I got you guys, so I don't have to talk to him.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Yeah, he didn't want to talk very long. Usually they want to sit here and have a full conversation with you.
He was trying to get you to admit to speeding or something.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. They do it all the time.
Yeah.
They're bullshit tactics.
That's the whole point of them trying to talk to you and ask you questions. So,
Yep.
and to know your rights.
When you don't say anything, they just get pissed.
Yeah.
This is the first time I had to use this.
Yeah. It's a service you hope to not use often.
Yep. I got the holiday speeding ticket, I guess. Here he comes.
Okay.
All right, do you speak English? Ma'am, does he speak English?
He does speak English, sir.
All right, do you understand English? That's all I need to know. All right, here's your driver's license back. So why, after using me a citation for 77 and 60, I'm back at his phone number, get a phone number call. If you wish to contest, set up a court date, otherwise they'll let you know how to take care of it. I understand that you're not paying attention to me at this time. I'm going to just assume that all the information on here, because you're not talking to me, is correct as far as where you do live. So I'm going to need you to take this from me, and then you do need to get off the video chat while you're driving in the state of Minnesota because you can't be on an electrical device like that, okay? If there's any questions, you do need to take this from me, sir.
If you would please, ma'am.
Sir, you should.
It's up to you.
You can take.
You sure get speed move, feel safe to do so. This isn't court right now. I am talking to you as a driver. Again, she's not the one driving. What I need you to do is use the shoulder, get up to speed, move over when you feel it's safe to do so. Again, your lawyer is the one driving right now. I need you to end the chat once you get done with this. Drive safe. Just know that we are doing speed enforcement all the way to Wisconsin.
It sounds like that was the end of the interaction.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so you do have the option to contest the citation.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah. You know, each state is different, but it should have all the instructions on there for you of how to contest it.
Okay.
Do you have any more questions about this incident?
Do I get a copy of this video?
Yeah, you can get a copy of this video if you just reach out to support. They can provide that to you.
Too easy. Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate your time.
No problem. You too. Go ahead and end the chat with your pin and have a great day.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, what's my pin?
Obviously, we have no say whether or not an officer writes you a ticket, but the app has absolutely been shown to de-escalate encounters where officers are far too heated for anyone's good. We're currently working on ways to help with aftercare for events where a citation is issued. We're also training our staff to take control of the scene, calm everyone down, and prevent admissions of guilt and the issuance of citations when possible. There's definitely more to come, but if you haven't downloaded the app and began your membership to protect you and your family during police-initiated contacts, use the link below for 10% off your membership. And as a reminder, all fees after 30 minutes have been removed. So no matter how long your call ends up being, there is no permanent fee for members. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you've been around and haven't done so yet, and check out some other videos linked on screen.